Ever since the first man gave birth to the other man, he has had one singular ambition: to fly. To soar above the treetops like a magnificent crow, smarming on the creatures below. Crows, on the other hand, like all birds, have never looked down and wished they could walk around on the floor, living in buildings and checking their inbox. The first bird, however, could not have been said to be such a triumphant little so-and-so. At only 2 inches tall, yet weighing more than a medicine ball, Archaeopteryx looked more like Fern Britain than the epitome of grace. Fleeing manically along the forest floor from predators such as the Eamon Holmes, beating its stubby little cack-feathered wings, it was eventually able to take flight. Initially, it only managed a few feet, but gradually this would evolve into an entire species mastering the sky, and soon EasyJet would be taking people to France. Amidst this cacophony of wonder, there was one unlucky spectator, the emu. With stupid blue feathers and a massive body like grubby cocksucker James Corden, the emu was anchored to the ground like an anchor, and could only look on with envy as other creature went for a fly. Emu even had to get the job, letting Rod Hull stick his hand up their arsehole every day, waving them about and blabbering rubbish. Despite the emu's tragedy, some might say that birds still have the upper hand, what with their more purest form of flight. However, to those people I say this: how often do birds roast a person for Sunday lunch or eat our eggs for breakfast? Ha!